Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the eToro account statement so you can see all your transactions, all your trades, and all your dividends. So the first thing we do, we're going to go over to our menu and let's find the eToro app. So I'm going to open eToro. You might need to log in. So once you're into the eToro app, you're going to go down to portfolio, which is the middle icon on the bottom of my screen. So click on that. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click the little drop down beside where it says My Portfolio on the top of the screen. So let's click that. Then we're going to click History, which is the second option down. So once you're in History, what you need to do is you need to go to the third little icon over from the filter symbol. So across from History, go over 3 places and we're going to click on that one. And once we click on that, it gives us our option of account statement. You can customize the time frame. So I'm just going to click on account statement for the minute. And now here you can just simply click, last month, last quarter, last year, or year to date, or you can do a custom range. So simply select the one you want and it'll automatically generate your statement. So I'm not going to do it as it'll show personal information, but that's all you have to do. So I hope you found today's video helpful. If you did, please give the video a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.